Hi all. This lockdown period can be really tough for everyone, and especially as sportsmen and as cricketers. So this state of mind is really important for us to keep our mind healthy and our physical also really healthy. By doing every day your routines correctly and whatever possible in the limited space uses you can do. So guys, now I'm going to talk about what has happened during the lockdown last year and what is happening now. So lockdown, it was really tough for me in the beginning. I was not able to manage and put my schedules correctly in skill wise as well as doing my workouts and fitness. So later, like few days, I made my mind to this is what we are going through now. So whatever situation comes with us, we have to change according to that, and we need to prepare what is coming for the future, and we just can't stay idle at home by not doing anything. We just have to do whatever we can with these resources, and I put my mind to whatever I had to do now, and I put my full effort to it, and in this small space and whatever limited space I had, I made the best use of them. I practiced on top of my terrace also, with plastic balls, with tennis balls. I did so many drills and fitness wise daily, every morning, and sometimes in the evenings also. I really worked hard in this during lockdown period, and this lockdown period can be really challenging for everyone, state mentally wise and physically wise. So mentally wise, we need to be really strong. We need to visualize what we are going to do in the future. We need to prepare well what is going to happen in the future is also. We need to keep on thinking positively. The more positive you think, you can do better in the future. And later I got to perform well in the KCA President's Cup this year, and it was a really great opportunity for me to be in that tournament, and I won the most promising batsman award in that tournament. See, this happened with all the hard work and the consistency. Consistency is the main key in this process. So don't worry if you're not able to go outside and practice. Use the limited space. Use whatever possible you can at home also. We can be better players at home also, mentally and physically wise. Use the resources really well and work really hard, and don't ever let go of your dreams. Thank you so much. Don't worry about the resources which you are having it now. Just keep working hard and chase your dreams. Thank you.